Hello, and this will be my day 145th, and today is Tuesday, May 26th, and I just recorded my video entry yesterday for the Monday, and today's Tuesday, and I will just record the things that I want to improve and the things that I acquired. And one of the things that I managed to realize is I do have a negative feedback, or at least it's negative on the survey, but for me it's positive because it made me realize something. So I've been a chat support for a long time, and then I did um, a call support, and then I managed to talk to few customers members, and then one of the feedback that my team leader says is that I do sound monotonous, and the exchange seems transactional. It doesn't seem like a conversation. And when he tried to make me say something personalized for the member or a script of some sort, I realized that I didn't have the arsenal or the tools to actually say it instantly right on that spot, because I've been relying on AI, particularly Copilot on Outlook, to summarize, or not really summarize, but paraphrase all the things that I want to say. Because when you input certain or the informations there, you will, or Copilot will provide you some tone, like a friendly way of saying it through chat, the more professional way, more direct way. So I've been relying on that when I am on chat support, and it made me realize that I've been reliant on the AI. So I will just try to express myself to the customer regardless of the outcome of my KPIs or the metrics, but I'm pretty sure and I'm highly confident that I am able to connect with the member, especially when it comes to nonverbal conversation. Not really nonverbal, but non-voice communication. Because I do stutter sometimes, especially when I am forced into situations that I haven't had the time to think about, and the person was expecting me to provide a resolution faster. But I will